Okay, we doing the stretching. Let's get down on this mat or get down on the floor, whatever you have. And I love for you to lay on your mat. And we're going to focus, all right, and get that right foot or left foot and grab it to the top of your glute and towards this. Your glute as tight as possible. And just think about actively pushing your hip into that mat. And that's going to feel real lovely, real beautiful. Okay? Deep stretch into them hips. Okay? Because this is going to target. Oh, this is going to feel good. You do that by squeezing those glutes, squeezing those hips into the mat. You know, sometimes when we're stretching and we're standing up all day, we need to do a stretch. If you're walking or been running or just moving around and laying down, your body needs to stretch. So we just trying to get that muscle, right? Now when you're ready, you're going to switch. Let's switch, whether you was doing the right leg or left leg. 2, 1, 3. All right, let's switch. Nice. So now what you can do here, I like to keep my arm bent a little bit. Okay, or drop your forehead if you want, or you can keep your head up if you like. I like to keep mine up sometime, or put it down, however you feel. The most important thing is that you're going to feel it. You're going to feel it. Squeeze them glutes, okay? Actively pushing towards the mat, okay? You feel it. You get that tight squeeze and you hit your squats and lunges, and whether you've been doing jumping squats or whatever you've been doing, we need to stretch our bodies. Let these muscles get some oxygen. Okay, just keep feeling that. Oh, okay, let's take it up to 3, 2, 1, and we're going to bring it up. Okay, and we're going to be seated on our mat, right, with the right leg out, okay? All right, now let's get ready to do this. So you have one leg bent and one leg stretched out, okay? And whenever you feel it, you just, hold it. Just hold it there. Just feel it. Just hold it. You know, if you need to rock a teeny bit, but you're going to feel this. It's been a quite long day today and a long night, and we just need to stretch these muscles. Keep stretching. You feel it. Okay, now it's going to be time to switch. Whichever leg you were working, let's bend the other one and stretch the other one out. Turn that leg out and just sit forward. Okay. You're going to feel it. You're going to feel that in your calf. You're going to feel it in your hamstring. Let's go. 50 more seconds. You know, all that tension that's built up, just need to stretch. And just a reminder how important it is to stretch. Okay? Just give thanks. Just sit there and think and give thanks and stretch. Never take things for granted. Just stretch. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1. All right. Now we're going to, this one is going to be great for you. The glutes. Okay, you're going to put your knee to your chest and stretch that. Okay, that knee to your chest. And if you can hold your opposite knee. I can't reach mine, so I'm just holding by my ankle and by the bottom of my calf. But you can use those hands, and I'm holding on to my right leg. You can hold your left knee, the opposite knee, for a better stretch. As you see, I'm trying to do, but I can't reach that yet. But that's okay. We're not here for perfection, right? We're not here for perfection. No aggravation. Don't get aggravated. We just trying. This is for everyone. Everyone could try this. Okay, great. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out some. Shake it out, and we're going to go to the other side. And 3, 2, 1. And bring that knee up. Bring that other knee up. Folding that knee. Okay? You could fold it or leave it straight out. Last time I had it straight out. You can fold it, lift it off the ground just for a better stretch. Okay, and that's normal. That feels normal, okay? So don't worry. We're just stretching. 5 more seconds or so if you can only do it for 5 seconds. Feel that? Just bring it close to you, your chest, and just hold it up in the air. Hold that ankle or knee. That knee gives it a better stretch, but I can't reach that far down. Oh, that feels good. Feels good. Stretch, we need that. 3, 2, 1. Nice, 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 nice. All right, now we're going to get into a 90-degree angle, okay, with your leg 90 degree, your left leg, right leg, whichever one you want to do first, okay? And get both of those legs at a 90-degree angle, one in front and one in back of you. That's what we're going to do, okay? And then we're just going to take it, walk it out, walk it to the front of you. There you go, just like that. You're going to feel that stretch. Not forcing anything, just as far as you can go. Just as far as you can go. My leg in front of me, if you can go put it out a little further, that's great. That's what I could do. No pressure. Just walk it out and hold it there. Your back should feel a curve. I feel that curve, and that's as far as I can go. And if you need to just bounce a little bit, bounce a little bit. If you want to bounce, you can. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you're going to put your feet together. And get your elbows down gently. Sit up straight, nice and straight. Okay, and we're going to get those elbows to touch your knees. Okay, touch those knees. You can feel that stretch. Just feel it. And just sit there. It feels good. Just breathe. We need to rock to the side and a little bit, just from right to left, and just feel good and just, bounce a little bit. We got the soft little YouTube music playing. Just, feel it and just stretch. Stretch. Take your time. There you go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Now the other side, you're going to do 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle on that knee, right? And that leg. So, there you go. And just sink into it. Just sink into it. Don't worry about if you got a big belly like me. All right, just sink into it. We can try and do as much as we can. We all can win. Just enjoy the stretch. That's what you focus on, enjoying the stretch. Just feel it. Feel it. That was so great. That was 90 degree with the hips and okay. That's hip health, and it's very important. That hip health, we have to keep those hips good. All right. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna transition. Relax. Think about your knees. Come up to your knees and your fingertips. And you feel a nice stretch. Just stretch them hips, shoulders. You're going to feel this in your shoulders. You're going to feel it in your hips. Okay, and just stretch. Go as far to the front as you can and just stretch. Breathe. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. And that should feel nice. Thank you so much for joining me. Blessings to everyone.